Just about to begin work on the MT09. Tank off, air filter change, spark plug change, oil change. Can't see it. Gotta take that trim off the front still. Parts supervisor. These are the nuts and the bolts in the box. These are delicate plastic trim screws like you see on an interior. So you fuck it up, you fuck it up. There's a fuel line to disconnect right there. Pulled the wire one off. It's just a squeeze clip. Just squeezed it with my finger, pulled it off. Vent hoses. Vent hose is like a traditional wire clip thing. That's got a clip on it. Had to go get a mini pry bar. What you doing? Say hello to the people, the parts supervisor. They don't want to see you, but they want to see the good part. Yeah. I mean, that's the actual fuel line. It's got a clip. Looks like I can just pull it off with my damn flathead here. Okay, I got one car. Wasn't sure. No gasket really. So it should be too long. Should be able to just pick her up. As I've seen in previous videos, probably ought to put some kind of grease or something on here. Very hard to get it actually to pop off. ECU. So on the 24s that have the vent on the top, this is where stuff that falls in your vent goes. So sensor looking things right there mounted onto this. Looks like Phillips all around. Get the lid off. Had Japanese Phillips all the way around. Took them off with a JIS screwdriver. See what's on this. That's my computer. My computer. Yeah. Why is it oily? Doing me a concern. Look at this real quick. So my air has to come in here and go around these snorkels. I might just cut them off at these lines. I need a retune, man. I might cut that down a little bit before I get it retuned again. Where's this filter coming out? Right there, huh? Okay, nice. Yeah. Past due. It's choked out. Look at that. What the hell? Keep it for a spare though. A couple bugs fell out. Not sure why it's all oily in here. Must be from the wheelies. I wonder if it's aspirating or everybody's does that. Look at these rubber velocity stackulators. Very clean though in here. Good drain. Nice, nice, nice. rubber intake tube velocity stack things is one piece. One piece all the way through. I'm gonna loosen them and take them off down here. Throttle body, I guess, or whatever. Intake, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? There's a hose unplugged from the bottom. This through like a latch. Doesn't necessarily look the best. Show you what this gunk is. Saw a dude online struggling like hell to get these coils out. It is hard, but wiggle, spin, wiggle, popping them. Trying not to move this vent hose. Looks alright. Lean if anything. Need a retune. There's a slight bit of rust on the end of this plug. 16,000 miles. I ride in the rain.